We got a big day today, guys. We are actually at the bank right now, just getting some money out. I'm gonna go pick up something new. We'll be showing you here in a couple hours. It's gonna take a little over 2 hours drive, and then we'll show you what we got. So now we're just waiting on Cody and Casey to show up with the truck, because we're gonna need it to bring back what we're getting. But we're just sitting at the gas station right now, going on the first kind of short road trip with the wide body FRS. Looking kind of jank in the front still, but the rear's looking real nice. See how she does. This will be a good test for all the panels. Hopefully they all stay on. You guys want to see a magic trick? Watch this. And we're here for that. Well guys, it's a done deal. I got myself a new R6. They're going to just pick up the stock parts, and then they're gonna load up the bike, bring it back home. But we have to head out because Chris actually has to work in a couple hours, and we're a couple hours away from home, so still a couple hours away from being able to actually ride, but it's done. We got it. Keeping up. I'm back home now, just waiting on Casey and Cody to come back and I can take delivery of my new R6. I'm super impatient right now, so I just want to ride. This is the nicest day of the year so far, but I have all afternoon. Gotta get properly set up if I'm gonna be super impatient about things. Such a nice day. Look at that, blue skies, fluffy clouds. Is this real life? There it is. Oh, look at that taco. And there it goes. Oh God.
Jeez. That turn radius though.
Oh, okay. You made it.
She's home. We were thinking on the way here, we're like, we should take it out and ride it back, see what he would say.
It's like, can we strap it down?
Cody called it too. He's like, I bet you he's just outside waiting for it.
All right, well let's get her out. We'll see how much of a difference that stabilizer makes.
Oh, they're amazing. I need to get one from my bike.
Yeah.
The only thing I've ever had was the one came with one. I like that brake light though.
Fuel pump sounded weird.
Sounds cool.
But yeah, it's got a custom tune, aftermarket rear sets, Akrapovic exhaust, shorty levers, grips, bar ends, frame slider, fender eliminator, integrated rear taillight, flush mount front turn signals,
Like crazy.
bunch of spikes everywhere, which those will probably go. The stabilizer, and then the mirror deletes. I think that's about it. Oh, got that slam bike life.
Is it good? Yeah.
Yeah, just straighten yourself out.
Thanks, guys.
No problem, man. Another bike on the road now.
Oh yeah. It only took me 2 years to get another one, but alright, I'm gonna go take a nap.
You get no nap.
Well, yeah, it's more of the racing position.
God, if Cody looks like that on it, I couldn't imagine you.
Yeah, I'm not a big guy, I'm just tall. And I make this thing look tiny. I don't know how I feel about the seats. I like dig the different design on them and everything, but I don't know. We'll see.
Send it back.
Just in case if
mind
the
the red.
police didn't know when they pull you over, but this is a motorcycle.
I don't mind the red, but it just sticks up too far.
Yeah. And I was worried about that, like, oh, that's probably gonna be uncomfortable. I'm probably gonna feel that, and
I couldn't even feel
I didn't feel it at all, so not too worried about it. But yeah, it's in decent shape. There's
I
some
see-
paint missing
Yeah, I
here, but like big whoop. This front fork seal is leaking. It's not terrible, but definitely want to get that taken care of. Feel like somebody was practicing wheelies. Alright guys, I gotta let you go because I don't have a GoPro mount on this helmet yet. But I gotta go take the new bike for a whip. See you when we get back. Well guys, after about a total of 4 hours of driving, got 5 hours in today on the new R6, and I think it passed the test. Everything's working good, no weird noises, no weird anything. Just a good goodbye. And the next goodbye is gonna be on a few things here. This green sticker has to go. The orange pinstriping has to go. And these spikes have to go. Otherwise, it's looking good. Gonna get some decals made. Get the 218 Sport Riders decal. And then otherwise, she's pretty much good to go. Hey.
Hey. This is really hard to work on the dark.
Oh, these masks are sweet. You just buy them online for like dirt cheap though. But we're gonna line Chris's interior of her car with L-wire. Because why the fuck not?
Alright, turn
that motherfucking lights back on.
Oh, I got all the decals pulled off, all the weird pinstriping. Now it's just clean. Time to wipe her down and make her mine. And we're gonna be paying homage to my 03 R6 that was stolen and crashed. And get my little JDM Panda back on there.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
All right, got the stickers on. Just gonna start her up and see if we got white wheels.